Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Genshin Impact connection timed out error on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're seeing this, then can be a number of reasons why you are. So we're going to go through the most common to the least common. But let's start off with what this error actually means. So this error message indicates your PC is unable to maintain a steady connection to Genshin servers. It could be caused by a server-side issue, which is overload or maintenance, your network router ISP blocking or misrouting traffic to the servers, or PC local settings. So this can either be firewall, DNS proxy, or even game files that are interfering with the connectivity. Okay, so for the first thing we need to check is to check the server status. So do a Google search for Genshin server status, and one I recommend is using one by down detector. So go ahead and click into that and see if there's any reported issues or outages reported in the last 24 hours. If there are, you just need to simply wait it out. Now, if you're running any VPNs or proxies or any custom network tools, go ahead and disable them because a lot of users are saying that that is the issue. Okay, the next fix is to flush your network configuration, so to reset WinSock. So open command prompt, so go to search, type in CMD. Now we want to go ahead and run this as administrator. And then from here, we need to put in a couple of prompts. So I'm just going to drag this over to this screen so we can see it. So basically we want to go ahead and paste this in. Now let me just make a new text document so you can copy and paste this. So I'm going to go new text document and open this up. And now I'm going to go ahead and keep for all. I'm going to get rid of this and paste that in. So you want to copy this code in and then paste this code in here and make sure command prompt is running as administrator while you do that. Then after that, you want to go ahead and reboot your PC. This clears stale entries and network stack hiccups. Okay, the next fix is here to go to control panel. So type in control panel from system and then click into system and security and then click onto Windows Defender Firewall. And then onto the left hand side, we got allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. So go ahead and click onto that. And now from here, go ahead and make sure your Genshin Impact is allowed through your firewall. And now another thing what we can try, if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, go ahead and switch that over to a mobile data or vice versa to see if that is going to fix that issue.